practice data, go to the practice data. Yeah, invitation letter, product launch event. So I'm also downloading from here. Okay. Okay, so this is very nice, simple and sober, one page later. Okay. Yeah, correct. It's not only later. Sometimes you want to print an envelope, address, party, recipients, right? Multiple recipients, assign letter to multiple. Now you want a physical letter to be print. Now to print, letter is ready, for example, but again on the top of letter, you need an address, complete address, right? Let's say Mr. and Miss, address 1, address 2, right? So now there is only few changes. The rest of the document is, the constant. All the things remain same. Just customer name change, their address change, or maybe company name change. Otherwise, event details. So let's see, situation is very simple. I'm a CEO of one, e-bike, and I have one product to be launched in, let's say, let me change the date. Let's say on a 25th January, next Saturday. Right, and the event is a physical event. Now I want to invite my all customers who have already purchased or have an experience or a relationship with my, what is to be repeated? Priyanka, can you please be more specific? You want me to repeat significance, I mean benefits of mail merge? So let's say whenever, let me just save it as a, what you want me to repeat? Let's say I'm not getting.
अभी देखा नहीं क्या?
Okay, on LMS portal. Okay, no worries. On LMS portal, there is something called invitation letter, product launch event. Okay, now a situation is that I'm the Bob, and I'm the CEO of one company. See, the name of company is, let's say, Yo-Yo Bike Private Limited. Now I have a one new product that is going to be launched on in the Mumbai region, and that is on 25th January. Now I want to invite my all existing customer, client, my all the channel partners, distributors to this event, right? And I want to invite them through the maybe a email, maybe a physical letters, right? So if you go and check out this format, if you see very nicely, I have kept it to subject, dear customer name, event details, and right Bob. Right. Now, if you see here very carefully, I haven't added any border. I haven't added any page number. I hope you can understand why I didn't do this. Because see, these all do's and don'ts. A best practice is always is applicable from case to case. It may vary from case to case. If it is invitation letter, we know that it's not more than one page. If it's a brochure, it cannot be a more than 1 or 2 pages, right? Okay. If it is a brochure, is it product brochure? Then we always go with more on designing, aesthetic, like some other tools. We never go with the word and designing the brochures. We'll ask our designing team to better design some freezers or maybe some other ways of multimedia support or tools that we bring into the communication, right? Nowadays, every movie gets released before 1 month or 2 months. That teaser release. Teaser is again, shorter, right, Manish? Earlier it was a trailer. Now it's a teaser. So like that. So consider this in every format of your document that you are formatting or a type of document that you are preparing. You need to understand what you are preparing. Okay, this is an approach. What you are preparing, why you are preparing, how you are preparing, and then come to the best practices to be followed. Right. So here I kept very generally such kind of invitation letter or official communication or official letters we have been sending on our letterheads, right? Our physical letterheads where our watermark is there in the footer, our company name, our subsidiary, copyright, whatever. I mean, the full address of our company. But it's basic. So I
ये
try to
IIT
create
के नाम
some
से
kind of
मशहूर
a letterhead kind of things. Okay. Now, if you see here in very carefully, I want to create a mail merge. Now, what is mail merge? We understood. Now, the second question, how? So, go to the mailing. Now, whenever you start mail merge, you need to select purpose of your mail merging is what? Letters, emails, envelopes, or you want just a labels, right? A lot of other, or you want to just see it as like a normal Word document, right? So what I'll do, I'll just go with the, let's say, letters. Okay, that's point number one, because this is my invitation letter. So choosing the right type for the right purpose. As I mentioned, if you want to send a physical letter with the labels, then choose the envelopes, labels, whatever it is, right? Select the recipient. Now this is very important. This is central part of the mail merge. The question is to whom? Okay, when I say to whom, you must have a data source ready. Now, what do you mean by data source ready? In simple terminology, it is your contact list or your customer list or maybe a customer database into Microsoft database, that is Access, right? It is Access file basically. Just a second, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Access database file. It can be anything, right? So it is very important. Copilot is required for mail merge, right? No, it's completely different. What I did, I created this document, this invitation letter using Copilot, right? Because I want to send invite. I don't have any personal assistant or personal data operator or maybe a data entry operator or maybe a personal secretary who will just I'll give and dictate okay, this should be in our invitation letter, and then she or he will click right and submit to me. No, no, it's not like that. Consider Copilot is as your personal assistant. It is helping you to draft some content for you. So invitation letter is then completely typed with the help of Copilot. It's not that Copilot is required to do the mail merge.
अलग अलग लगी हैं बट
It's
एक्सटेंडेड
completely independent.
सिंगल दिखानी होगी तो सिंगल दिखेगी सिंगल एक चलाइए आप
So now let me go to the mailing. Again, I've selected letters. Go to the select recipients. To whom? Okay, so there are three options. You can create your own list, which is again a time consuming. I've seen the company who have the list readily available. Now, how this list look like? Right, it comes under the data source. So whenever, now how to cross verify? Is there any such list available or data source available within me? You need to go to, just very simple steps. Go to your OneDrive, right? Go to your, let's say, just a second, documents, into the OneDrive, into the documents. Are you able to see my data sources? Are you able to see my data sources? Double click it. Here it should be there. See, I already have created that list. That's a customer details. So if you go and check out the type of this file, it's a MAD, Microsoft Access Database. So there is someone who is managing your, not worthy customers, your relation, maybe your CRM or any other portals might be managing that list of customers. So that you need to bring here. Got it? Okay. Alternative is if you have some distribution list in or email contacts, right? You added, you received some emails saying you created one group. Let's say these are my premium customers. That also you can use. You can also use a CSV. If you have a CSV, you can also convert that into this. So there are a lot of ways, right? Okay. Now what I want to show, let's say customer details. Now last time also I have shown
डिपेंडेंसीज के
how I have
हार्डवेयर
created it.
पार्ट की है
So if you go and check out,
ज़्यादा आप चलाओगे तो स्टक हो जाएगा
there has to have someone who is start
आप
creating
चाहे
that
डिस्प्ले
list.
इसमें 4 लग सकती हैं एक और
Now,
डिस्प्ले
this is
एक
little
डैमेज
bit
फंक्शन चाहिए
a difficult UI that no one can go and do the data type entry. So what I'm suggesting, right? Don't go with like this. Just go to your
नहीं
Word.
हार्डवेयर मतलब आप करेंगे कैमरे बढ़ जाए यहाँ से आप जो लेके जा रही है
Type a new list. Start with Mr.
और क्या तरीका और
Rahul.
यही तरीका आप P3 से ले सकते हैं लेकिन फिर आपको ये पूरा सेटअप रेडी करना पड़ेगा
Just
नहीं नहीं वो सेम हो
guiding
जाएगा
how you
ना,
can
तो
create
फिर
such
वहाँ
kind
भी
of
कैमरे
entries.
लगेंगे,
Okay,
वहाँ भी
Meta,
डाला तो सॉफ्टवेयर
let's
होगा,
say
वहाँ भी डाला
ABC
एड्रेस।
Private
है
Limited.
ना, अगर हम फीड ये एक्सटेंड
Okay,
करके जाते हैं
address
तो जो
is,
कैमरा ऐड
let's
चल
say,
रहा होगा इसके
MG
अंदर,
Road.
जैसे होता है ना, जैसे किसी डिस्प्ले पे चल रहा हो दूसरे मॉनिटर पे
Address
चल
to,
रहा है।
let's say,
हाँ ये सारी दिक्कतें आएंगी, फिर दिक्कतें तो बहुत सी आएंगी। आप
near
यहाँ पे ये कुछ और करना चाह रहे हो, वहाँ आप कुछ और करना चाह रहे हैं।
नहीं वहाँ पे तो जो वर्क स्टेशन है ही नहीं, तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे ना,
office,
हम जो यहाँ से
cities,
करेंगे वही
for
वहाँ पे
example,
होगा।
ये भी
Ahmedabad.
आपकी बात सही है।
The complete two records I'll show, right? Rest of things
मतलब
you
ये
can
तीन डिस्प्ले है,
bring.
एक
So
डिस्प्ले
exporting,
ऊपर
importing is
होगा,
all
दो यहाँ से
possible, right?
यही ना।
तो
Tranche,
आपने एक ले गए, अगर वो चल जाएगी तो यहाँ दो बचेंगे।
just
और बाकी
put
दूसरा कौन सा तरीका है, वर्क स्टेशन होगा ना, ये सब ये
ये
इसे
पूरा आप सेटअप पूरा तैयार
okay
करिए।
and
लगाना
continue.
पड़ेगा।
इसका इसका
In addition to that, it's not compulsory.
एम्बिग्यूटी कर दीजिए, सेम
It's
यहाँ
not
से।
compulsory to add all the things. Let's say in my
मतलब ये
case,
वाला कंडीशन डालना पड़ेगा ना, जो वर्क स्टेशन
I have kept phone number, work phone, and email address. Now, very important. See, as of now, I am living in a busy room. If you are creating any kind of mailbox list and you want to create a PDF, then or maybe a label, then sometimes because of the party is not present, right? Courier or shipping companies
4 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म पे
always
वहाँ मॉनिटर करेंगे।
call the
हर
party,
प्लेटफॉर्म का अलग अलग मॉनिटर होगा, अलग अलग फील्ड
right?
होगा।
Recipient party, that whether are you available at home,
ये हम
right?
भी कंट्रोल रूम आपने बना रखा है,
Maybe a
अभी
Blue
ये क्या
Dart
हो
or
जाता है
maybe
कि
a,
यहाँ नहीं होगा।
whatever the courier agency that you have chosen to send this invitation later. So please, if this is the best practice, try to at least provide one mobile, one number under the category of home or a work. This is really mobile number. Right now I'm speaking into it.
चलेगा ही नहीं,
Come,
चलेगा ही
save the time.
नहीं।
Okay. Now, then we can also do, let's say, extension, let's say XYZ private limited, again JN Road, near Royal Palace, just randomly choosing cities, let's say
हाँ सर, एक ही सर का बनाना तो फाटा एलसीडी का B4 आप अटेंड करेंगे किसी यात्री के पास में, जो B4 में सर्विस नंबर बैठा है, अगर हम तत्काल का टिकट किया काउंटर नहीं था, काउंटर टिकट था,
now click OK. Now when you start it, it is creating something called list, right? So let me see e-bikes premium customer. This is the database. Customer list. Now if you see here carefully, if you have observed this carefully, by default these source, I mean the location that it has chosen is documents my data sources. That's why I told you, if you have any such list present, if you are from any team or BU or whatever business function you belong, if you have your personal laptop or even company's machine, please check out is any such list available with you. If no, then ask your respective department. Okay, if you are only you are responsible to generate, then generate in this way or create in this way. Keep updating by people. Right. So let me just save it. Okay. So now I have a receipt. Okay. Now I can also add it. If I want to add this, to add and remove short and filters. If it is duplicate entry, see this is very important. Again, to save the time, it should not happen that there should be a two printouts. Again, green energy, green computing, and saving the mother earth. It should not be that there are two physical letters got printed in the name of Mehta Rahul. It should not. So a lot of things, which you should keep as a part of this practice. Okay, so that you can come under edit. Now let's start mail merging. Okay, now to start mail merge, you need to insert one of the common fields, that is something called merge fields you want to add. So you need to go to the insert merge field. Right, so just click on insert merge field, you will be able to see the entire list. Okay, now go to the two, just keep your cursor here. I want to print the entire, see, two requirement. I want to print the entire address and the name of the customer here. Right, so let me go to insert my field. Let's say title, keep it space, first name, space, last name. Okay. Then on the second row, I want to company name, comma, or you can also decide by your own. Let's say I want to also put address 1 and address 2 in the one line. Yeah, but city on a separate line, so I put enter. Now city, state, country or region, and last I want to put zip code. Right? So this is become my
वीडियो कॉल करिए, वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हो सर, ठीक है सर, यहाँ से पूरा माउस
details
दिखाना पड़ेगा
on
ना,
merge fields.
वहाँ
So
पे
I
सर
added
माउस नहीं लग
almost all.
पाएगा,
Okay, now in the later
दिखेगा
also,
नहीं, माउस लग
if
जाएगा
you see
तो
here in my
ठीक है,
format,
थैंक
I
यू
have a dear and name of the customer. So you can mention the company name or customer name depending upon your relation. Sometimes what happens, the company keep changing their managers, CRMs, customer relationship managers or product managers. So sometimes you also address go and now repeat as right. Okay, so we did it. Now you can, after adding this merge field, now you can keep preview results. Now when you click on the preview results, depending upon your number of entries and the records in your address list, all these pages will appear. Be able to see the change. In the first preview, it was Rahul. In the second, it was now it is Anjali. So Anjali and Rahul. There's any doubt? Any doubt?
हाँ सर
If you want me
दिखाइए,
to take the small pause, I'm completely fine. Because quiz is also waiting.
टीवी दिखाइए सर, टीवी
Okay.
ठीक है, ठीक है
What steps you want me to repeat? What steps? Can you please be more specific and help me to understand what steps you want me to step? Can I? Should I repeat from the scratch? I'm completely okay from starting. Okay, no worries. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. What I'm doing, let me just help you because a co-pilot also I want to bring here as an experience. So let me just go to.
हाँ बना लो सर, बना रहा हूँ।
अरे वही भाषण है, बार बार फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है। 10 तारीख को काम किए तो उसी के बाद से हो रहा है, उसके पहले नहीं हो रहा था। हाँ अरे केबल नहीं, केबल तो आज कटी थी, वो 10 तारीख से अभी तक हो रहा है। हमने पीछे ग्रुप पे देखा तो 10 तारीख को तुमने फोटो डाली थी और उसी 10 तारीख से ही डेली डाउन होता, मतलब एक दिन में 7-8 बार बंद होता। तो वो बैटरी जो नए इक्विपमेंट कुछ लगाए थे, क्या किए थे ये बता दो।
Okay, that everything is because of that
अच्छा
our
तो
kids.
ये बंद क्यों हो जा रहा है?
Kids.
और मैंने डेट देखी तो 10 ही तारीख से बंद दिखा रहा, मतलब बंद होता चालू होता एक दिन में 20-30 बार बंद होता है।
Engineer, whatever, right?
तो मुझे लगा कि हो सकता है कि कोई स्विच नया लगा हो सकता है कोई बीच में ऐसा स्विच लगा हो जो बैकअप पे ना हो। एक नया राउटर लगा तो है,
Easter is because of this.
नया वाला एक नया राउटर लगा सिस्को
Because of last name. XYZ private limited, ABC private limited because of this.
और 10 ही तारीख से दिखा रहा बंद है, मतलब बंद होता है फिर चालू हो जाता है। वही हमने कहा कुछ नया चीज लगा होगा तभी, या तो बैकअप नहीं मिल रहा।
ये दो है।
Rahul ji, can you define the fonts and other things also?
Yes, yes. And
On the
ये क्या
field
कहते
itself.
हैं 1 and 2
yes, it's a
ये
see,
पहले
formatting is
देखिए
always the
वहाँ
thing.
पे दिख रहा
Try
है
to
क्या ये
keep
3
two things separate. One is
जैसे मैं
your
यहाँ पे कर rहा
database.
हूँ आइडेंटिफाई
In database,
वहाँ की
it's a
डिस्प्ले पे
complete
3
a
आ रहा
box,
है
a dialog box where you need a data entry. Mr. Rao, let's say where
उधर
there
देखिए
you
कोने में
won't find
देखिएगा
it.
जब मैं 2 करता हूँ
In document when you
एक
load
दिखा
every day, then you can change.
इस पे 1
But
आया
let's say you can select all.
इस पे 2 आया इसी तरीके से उस पे 3 आ रहा होगा
Select
तो
all.
3 चल रहा होगा
That's quite possible.
इधर यहाँ कोने में देखिए यहाँ नीचे कोने में देखिए देखिएगा
Okay, now with your request, I'm starting from the scratch, right? Because I also wanted to show how you can ask the Copilot to draft. And it won't take more than 5 seconds. Believe me, I really when I started exploring Copilot, it's my personal experience I'm sharing with you all. That before 1 year, I mean, it's almost one Microsoft 365 Copilot, almost a 1 point something or that 1.3 or 1.4 months. Last October or September it has got launched. It's all baby. But still we are enjoying by exploring the capability in such a way that every day, every 1 week
देखिए
there
गया
are some updates. Right. So we are right now so excited to explore in that level that how we can help the organization. But this is very, very simple demo, right? So let me close this as of now. I'm not saving it, right? So don't save. Now go to the Copilot. Okay. In the word, a Copilot can be also launched with the help of shortcut called Alter AI. Alter plus I.
क्या दिख रहा है
This is the shortcut.
मस्त हो गया है यार मस्त हो गया
Alternatively, you will be able to see the Copilot icon on the screen.
ये साइड में रखा हुआ है हाँ ये बात इसे मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया चला गया
Okay, now very important is the prompt. See, this is your personal assistant. I still remember before 15-20 years back, my boss used to call his personal assistant. He was a secretary, personal secretary. He was used to dictate everything, like meeting agenda is this. Okay, we completed this meeting minutes with the director general. Can you please? These are some points. Can you please prepare a MOMs? Yeah, most common document for every organization. Meeting minutes. Right. Okay. Do we have the last MOMs available? What were the action carried out? What are still unshorted or maybe unaddressed? Yeah, this kind of thing you're doing human to human. Right now, the work what I'm doing
अरे मुझे तो दिखा
for
पहले
specific scenario and problem statements. I'm just explaining. And very important, see, this is a
ये ना
glimpse of the learning. It is always better you give the POV. What is POV? Point of view. So Copilot have to understand who you are. So let's say I'm putting I am the
ये
product
कहाँ लगा ऊपर
manager
लगा क्या लग गया
of
कैसे किया
Yo-Yo Bike Private Limited.
हेलो
Right.
इसमें वो डालो जिसमें
Now
सारे
we
कैमरे
are
चल रहा है
introducing ourselves to Copilot. Okay, now let's
आवाज कंट्रोल कर ले रहा है
giving a more context and try to add a more context into your prompt. Now,
कैमरे
prompt is nothing but the way you are chatting.
सारे कैमरा नहीं चलेंगे तो फायदा क्या कुछ ही कैमरा
कुछ भी नहीं
Yeah,
वही तो
guys,
मैं कह रहा हूँ
I'm
कम
just
कैमरा है
showing
यहाँ मुझे
how you
दिखाओगे
can
तो मैं डाल ही
generate.
नहीं
It
पाऊंगा
won't be
दूसरा लेगा
available to
अपना
you.
दूसरा कैमरा उसमें डाल सकता
Might
हूँ
not be
सारा आ गया
license available to you, but very soon, right? So we are.
आधे कैमरे देखने से कोई
See,
फायदा
I'm
नहीं
just saving my time
आधे तुम देख रहे हो आधे
show
वो
you
देख रहे हैं
to start the invitation letter from the scratch. That's why I'm not typing or taking any other format from the internet or a template from internet, right? So let's say I'm the
वही
product
मैं कह
manager
रहा हूँ
of
यहाँ दिखाइए मुझे दूसरा
Bike
मैं
Private
डालूँ
Limited, Yo-Yo Bike Private Limited,
दूसरा
right?
होगा दूसरा होगा
प्लेटफॉर्म
We
कौन सा
are
किसी का डालते हैं
launching
उधर से जा
our
रहा है कि नीचे से जा
Currently,
रहा है
I have whoever
आ
is
गया
into
माउस
that
उसी पे है छोड़
looking
दीजिए
at
छोड़ दीजिए
Copilot, they can easily find out that
गए
Copilot
नहीं
option
गए
नहीं
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 their
अभी
that Microsoft Office whatever they are using
ये
what
कैमरा उल्टा
the
है
feature available.
मोबाइल
But definitely on the ribbon they
मोबाइल
have
सीधा
not
कर
signed
लीजिए सर
that
मोबाइल उल्टा है
the license.
अरे सर हो गया
But with the limited feature
सर
you
मोबाइल
can
सीधा
use
कर
the
लीजिए
Copilot.
पर डाल देते हैं
correct.
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर
Yeah,
1
please allow me.
Yeah. Okay. So we are
आया
launching
ना
our new product, new e-bike.
क्यों नहीं चला चलना
Now here
चाहिए
you need to mention everything on this 25th January 2028,
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर
sorry 2025 at Mumbai location at. Now I'll put my actual goal. Now please draft invitation letter to be sent to all my distributors, prime customers, existing customers. That's it. Right. And last but not the least, clearly set out the tone. What exactly? See, invitation letter can have a different tone. Let's say direct tone, professional tone, right? Humble tone, right? So keep
आज मुझे वो प्रिंट आउट
humble
निकालना
tone
है, नहीं है ना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे प्रिंट आउट
this
निकाल
later. So Copilot will understand. Oh, this is not a professional communication.
जैसी
See,
खत्म होती है
there are some order letter, right? Where I am ordering someone to do something.
अरे ये लोग
That's
थोड़ी
completely
देर
fine. But when we invite them to any invitation card, right? It's a humble, show humble way. Now you are asking someone to
अच्छा
draft
प्रिंट
something,
निकल जाएगा यहाँ पे
right? So you need to
मार्कशीट
mention
नहीं
the tone
निकालना
also,
कि मुझे मार्केट
right?
जाना
Keep
पड़ेगा
the humble tone.
मार्केट जाना पड़ेगा निकाल दो
Okay. Now I put this.
निकाल निकल आएगा
नहीं हमारे पास नहीं है
अच्छा
चल गया क्या
अरे रखिएगा तो दिखाइए तो एक
2
कैमरा नहीं
seconds.
चलाया उसको
कैमरा दिखाइए कैमरा
Right.
डिस्प्ले दिखाइए
Just 2
सर
seconds.
डिस्प्ले दिखाइए डिस्प्ले 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 चल गए सारे
एक नहीं चला होगा
एक कैमरा नहीं चला
वो एक तो ये 5 नंबर का लगा हुआ जो नहीं चला हुआ उसका
Event details
इसमें चला दो बस
table. Now I'm asking to read out tabular format. Keep event details in a tabular format. Just go. It will refine my draft. Now look at the result.
एक्सचेंज वालों के बाद
I haven't asked anything, but if you see here,
ऊपर लॉक का कंट्रोल रूम
even it has given me the table. That's the event, name, date, time, and
वहाँ
location.
कोई वीडियो
Now,
दिखा रहा है
as we know,
कंट्रोल रूम खोल दिया होगा
यहाँ पे
just
हेलो
yes,
हाँ बना दीजिए अब इसमें आप कुछ
formatting, or you can also ask. Yes, one invitation letter.
ठीक है सर
है ना जब
Done. Right. Now my letter starts from here. Now we know that, as we assume, we will add two part. Two. Right.
उसमें तीसरी डिस्प्ले लगा दी ना हाँ तीसरी डिस्प्ले में जाने के लिए वो डिस्प्ले सेटिंग में जाना पड़ता है
Everything is
उसको फिर एक्सटेंड करना पड़ता है उस डिस्प्ले के लिए किसमें जाना पड़ता है डिस्प्ले सेटिंग में नहीं अब इसमें शो कर
and
रहा
as we
होगा
discussed, we always should justify it.
लेआउट तो वैसे ही आ रहा वो सब वो तो मैंने से एक ही
Always select the text accordingly.
ठीक है वहाँ पे डालना है बस तब होता था जब मैं डुप्लीकेट डिस्प्ले कर लूँगा मैंने क्या करना कीबोर्ड में डिस्प्ले लगा हुआ तभी तो मैंने
Now look at the content. We always should check out the styling. It's a AI generated content, so disclaimer is always there. We cannot 100%
सीन
protect.
क्या हुआ HDMI से इसमें
Just to
आया
avoid
है यहाँ से जो
overlines.
आउटपुट गया वो
Now I'll put the Bob Elvis. Bob Elvis is my name. See, when I gave in the prompt, I am the product manager. It has already taken these two, product manager and the name of the company. Okay, so my part is over. Now, I'm just keeping little bit of beautification like borders and header footers, right? Now, what I'll do, I'll go to the mailing. I'll start a mail merge. I'll select the letters. Okay, now I select the recipients. Now, in the case of recipients, you can type a new list, use an existing list, or choose from your Outlook content. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm creating because I'm showing from the scratch. So I'm just showing how to type a new list. So go type a new list. You can just mention Mr. and Miss in. Okay, let's say ND. Last name is, let's say J. NDJ. Company is ABC Private Limited. Let's say TS building. I'm just randomly giving address 1 TS building, opposite Royal Palace. City is for example. I'm typing literally here. There are many ways to export import it as well. State, country, right? So country is India. Similarly, I also mentioned here it is not compulsory to mention the work phone number or home phone number, but it's a best practice if you keep and want to sign a physical letters. Some shipment didn't find, some offices are closed, or maybe a person is not at a home rightly available. So in those cases, it's a quite best practice to mention the contact number so that they can be connected. Okay. Click on new entry. Now this time, Miss Zoya. Let's say example is from XYZ Private Limited. Let's say NG Building, NG Road, City, let's say Mumbai,
ऊपर अगर प्रिंटर होता तो निकाल लेते
Maharashtra.
500 पे बस
I'm just putting any random 6-digit. India. Okay, once your okay, now you should have the question. Rahul, can we customize the column? Yes.
इस कमरे में ये
You
लगा
can always customize.
वहाँ पे होगा
That's quite possible. What entries? And depending upon all these customized lists, you will be able to see the same list into when you will be coming and inserting your merge field into the merge document. Right. So I'm just putting. I'm completely fine. So I'll go and click OK. Now when I click OK, it will ask me to save this list. So let's say this is Bob customer list. Right. It's a nothing but your address list stored into the database. This is completely in the type of access database. Okay. Save it. Okay. So you have the invitation letter. You have the recipients list ready. You can edit them here. Want to include, exclude. And I also explain one simple use case why it is important to find out the duplicates. It's a data cleaning process basically. So if you have 100 pages, 100 such recipients, even if you found a 20% of duplications, instead of 100 pages, your printer will print 120 pages, and then it's a completely useless. Ultimately, we are wasting our natural resources like trees and plants, right? Okay, so always try to do this, and don't forget your data source that your mail merge document is gonna use is Bob's customer list MDB. Okay, now I'll just put OK. Now it's time to insert it. Now we'll start adding these fields from our recipient list. So just go start with the title. Mr. or Miss space first name insert space last
हेलो
name enter. Right, so Mr.
आओ ट्रेनिंग चल
or
रही है
Miss NDQ or NDJ, whatever it will come. Insert company name and put a comma as well. Address line 1, comma, insert address line 2, enter city, comma, state. I'll put everything on a one line.
एक स्क्रीन लाइन
State,
तो कैमरा बंद होंगे पता तो चलेगा नहीं ना कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं ये तो दोनों स्क्रीन होती है
as of now, city, state and country, then dash country, and then dash, and here under the valued partners, I'll delete it and make it right. Clear? Any doubt in this process? Okay. Now, how would I verify? It's a preview result. Still, I haven't finalized my mail merge. PDF has not been generated. These all letters, 2 letters, right? So just click on preview results. So see. Once you preview, right? Click can also check for errors. It's a preview of the results, right? Okay, once you are done that, okay, everything is coming nice way. Okay, my all parties is coming in right way and right order. City, opposite, a complete address, a postal address that you have added. Then you need to go to the finish. Now here again you have the two options. You can also edit individual documents. This is not our case. I want to print that. Right, so just click on print the documents. Now this is also merger to printer. Now here you want all current, or you can also specify range. Right. Many people actually ask, okay, I want to customize at this time. That's I want only 1 to 10. Yeah, you can always. If you have 100 records, 100 such letters, 100 such parties, you can just mention 1 to 20 or 1 to 25. Right. Now, as of now, I want all. I'll keep it. Now, my by default printer is nothing but a Microsoft Print to PDF. So it will simply export this all both the documents, both the letters to the PDF. So just click OK. And I'll just put
वो जो कैमरा आप कह रहे हैं ना
invitation data. Now this time I remove the top, right? Because this is something it will generate. Let's see. Let's look at the result.
कनेक्शन टू डाटा बेस में लॉस्ट क्या है ये ठीक है
Yeah, it's generated.
ये चल नहीं रहा
Great. So I have two back-to-back documents. One for Zoya.
जो पॉइंट है ना वही पॉइंट है
Similarly,
ठीक है मुझे आपका नंबर दीजिए
one for Annie. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Okay. Now there are only 2 points remaining. I think reviewing, sharing, and collaboration will already be great. Honestly, we can share to OneDrive, adding a comment, resolving the comments for a real-time collaboration. What I'll do, I'll just cover this into the Excel because the remains same, whether it is Excel sheet, tracking to change, or maybe review. It's same. Protecting and finalizing document also remains the same. What do you say? I mean, because quiz is waiting and it's almost today. Still, if you allow me, I can talk till 4:30.
नहीं बताना है जो भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है ना ये बताना है चल पाएगा नहीं चल पाएगा
चला
चल तो गया लेकिन हैंग कर गया ना
तो हैंग किसी और वजह से किया होगा ये कल भी यही मैसेज कल आया था और फिर मैंने रिस्टार्ट किया था तब चालू
No, but
ऐसा करो ना ये सारा बंद करो यही बंद करो ये वाला
Thank you. So, yes, do we have
वीडियो टैप कर दो
quiz?
ये मैसेज भी नहीं आया
राइट क्लिक
Yeah, Copilot demo I already have. Actually, my plan was just to show one task, but I've shown two. No worries, right? Okay, guys. So, Prem will provide you the quiz link here. It's display a QR code. So, if you are connected through mobile device, you can just scan it using your scanning application, maybe a Google Scanner, or Prem will share soon this link to you. Prem.
ऊपर बैठे हैं सर कैमरा चल रहा है ये हैंग कर जा रहा है सर ये हैंग कर जा रहा है सिस्टम मतलब अभी जैसे चला रहे हैं नीचे वाले में चलाया मैंने कैमरा हैंग कर गया हाँ दिक्कत देगा सर अभी नीचे वाले मैंने कैमरा चलाया तो हैंग कर गया इसलिए क्योंकि ये 32 ही बता रहे हैं ना तो 16 ऊपर 16 नीचे 32 हो गए दो डिस्प्ले पे और तीसरे डिस्प्ले पे मतलब 16 चला दे रहे हैं तो मतलब पूरा लेकिन सर आप समझ रहे हैं ना ये क्या काम चल रहा है तो अगर वो चाहिए तो सर उसके लिए वर्क स्टेशन चाहिए पूरा सर पीसी चाहिए पूरा सिस्टम चाहिए उसमें ये वाला एप्लीकेशन चाहिए M3S वाला फिर चलेगा सर फिर लेते हैं नहीं तो दूर टीवी सर या एक टीवी से लूडो चला दिया आपने, एक पीसी चला दिया, एक वर्क स्टेशन हो गया। अब कहीं पे भी जैसे कि ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप यहाँ करते थे ना डिस्प्ले पे, अब ये करने के लिए काम ऊपर रहेगा, वीडियो कॉल से दिखाएगा, तब आप यहाँ से ले
Yeah,
जाके
sorry,
प्ले करेंगे
I was
video।
speaking on mute.
ये
Yeah,
यहाँ
so
डिस्प्ले
hi Manish ji, as committed, our backend team also, operation team is also ready
तो
to
आप सीधे मना
give
कर
you
देंगे
a live
तो डिस्प्ले
dashboard.
चला लेगा,
But
प्रैक्टिकली
just post the
प्रैक्टिकली
quiz,
मतलब
right?
पॉसिबल
So we
नहीं है
need to
जो
let
आपको
them finish, and then we'll be
चाहिए
able
उसको
to
देखने
share
के
it.
लिए।
Right?
इतना
Okay.
कहाँ
Okay.
वो
Thank
है,
you.
इससे अच्छा वर्क स्टेशन प्रोवाइड करा देंगे।
Okay, guys. So best of luck. If you find any
वर्क
question,
स्टेशन क्या करना चाहते हो वहाँ पे हम
even
सेटअप कर
though
देंगे,
this
सेम
time
सॉफ्टवेयर डाल देंगे, फाइबर गैस
I
जिसके
kept it
थ्रू
very
फीडबैक चले
really
जाएंगे,
simple
नेटफ्लिक्स
for
जिसके
you.
थ्रू,
But if
अगर
you find
जैसे
anything on, let's say, sharing collaboration, please do allow me,
हाँ
because
मतलब
same
इसके
thing,
थ्रू मतलब
because of
चल
time
जाएगा, यहाँ से
constraint, was
फीडबैक
not able to
लेके
cover it up,
उनका चलता है,
and
किसी से
we'll be
चलता है,
definitely looking into
किसी
this
स्विच
detail
से जैसे कि
when
मैं यहाँ
I
से
will
किसी
take up
से चला
Excel.
तीसरी स्विच से
Manish
सुनो
ji, looking to this bit,
मीडिया
I
वहाँ पे
need a two
चल
session
जाएगा।
for Excel then.
ये हैंग कर रहा है मतलब
Excel
वर्क
is
स्टेशन पे अगर
something
मैंने
which
एक
I
कोड
had
ड्रॉप किया
planned
मैट्रिक्स तो
like an
कैमरा
in,
जैसे
I
हैंग
mean,
कर
for you people.
Right,
Week,
right.
week. Let's see.
We will have a separate discussion on that. How
Sure,
we
sure,
cover
हाँ,
that.
एक टीवी
sure,
वहाँ
sure,
चल
sure.
रही है,
Maybe
दूसरी
two
टीवी
session
आप
of
कैसे
you know
अपने
that
वर्क
Yeah,
स्टेशन पे
that
अगर
would be
कैमरा
links to
चलाने
the
जाओगे
to the
तो
three
हैंग
PRs
करेगा।
or something.
yeah, that would be better,
एक
right?
दो वर्क स्टेशन चला सकते
Okay, guys, I hope you are able to access it. I already tested it through my phone as well. I think it's working. This quiz is live now, active, and the QR code is also working fine, perfectly fine. So, guys, if you are struggling with anything, please do let me know. Me and Prem are here. Okay. Before you attempt, please, these all fields are compulsory. Your full name. Full name means you're trying to be, because see, there may be four rounds, because today we've seen 450 plus candidate, right, Maniji? There may be two
वो
Priyansu
हैंग
being
कर
there.
रहा
So
है सर
try to
सिस्टम,
be more specific on as per your
इनका
official
वर्क
record, your
स्टेशन
full
हैंग
name,
कर रहा है।
right? Your email ID, official email ID, and your
हाँ, एक यहाँ से बंद हो
your
गया है
employee
और
ID.
एक
These
डिस्प्ले यहाँ पे
three
चल रहा है, एक डिस्प्ले ऊपर चल
fields
रहा
are
है
very
और नीचे
important,
वाले जो
and
वर्क
then you
स्टेशन
can
पे
just
भी चलता है ना सर, तो
start.
उसमें अगर हम 4-5 कैमरा चला दे रहे
Oh,
हैं तो
sorry to
सिस्टम हैंग
interrupt.
कर देगा,
For
वर्क
everyone,
स्टेशन हैंग कर
link is
देगा।
already shared in the chat
इवन
box.
कि उसमें
And as
एक भी
we
कैमरा अगर मैं अभी चलाने की कोशिश कर
came
रहा
to
हूँ
the
तो हैंग
end,
कर
so
रहा है।
just a small request for you, if you can keep the QR code
अभी
shared on the
मैं
screen,
सर
so that
वर्क स्टेशन
it's,
पे
I
एक
think
कैमरा
it's
चलाने की
already
कोशिश कर
shared.
रहा हूँ, वो नहीं चल रहा है।
Yes, yeah, great. So I'll keep it on. No
कैसे?
worries. And for everyone, quiz link is already there. Let me
इथरनेट की
once
कैपेसिटी
again share the link if you
वो
have
तो
missed
सर
that. So I have shared it again.
नहीं,
You
अब
can
ये तो
just
सर
try that. If you
जो
are
केबल पड़ी होगी सर वो
accessing
अब
the
कैट
link,
5 है, कैट 6
please
है,
let
मुझे
us
तो
know in
नहीं
the
बता
chat
सकते
box.
सर। डिवाइस ये कैसे इथरनेट पोर्ट की, तो इथरनेट पोर्ट से हमने क्यों नहीं लिया है, हमने तो सर डिस्प्ले पोर्ट से लिया है, HDMI कन्वर्टर के थ्रू पर लेके गए, फिर HDMI लगा दिया। हाँ हाँ, बीच में सर वो जो HDMI कन्वर्टर कहाँ पोर्ट क्या है ये, इससे बस इथरनेट इथरनेट लिखा हुआ है सर, इसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा है।
हाँ सर,
इथरनेट लिखा हुआ है सर, इसमें कुछ लिखा नहीं है।
सर
Okay, guys, best of luck.
10
Just
होगा
don't
तो
have
सर
more than
HDMI
I think
कन्वर्टर में जो अवेलेबल है सर वही हम यूज
30,000
करेंगे
views,
सर,
if I'm
अलग
not
से तो
wrong.
देंगे इसमें।
Just a second. Yeah, 14 to
मीडिया
15
कन्वर्टर है
questions
तो
hardly.
इथरनेट
Great.
से फिर चलिए
I'm able
इथरनेट
to
से
see it
रिलेटेड।
on my screen. So yeah, it's fine. Yeah, great. Then whatever we have discussed, I think I tried to keep it as sober and a level where so consider it's like a recap. It's kind of knowledge check how much attention you have paid. Okay, thank you everyone.
सर वायना कूलर इसी को बोलते हैं ना, वायना कूलर उसी को बोलते हैं।
Should I run the timer here?
हाँ सर
It's just 15 minutes.
फोन करे थे 2 मिनट में
स्विच डाल के
Okay, great. Congratulations, everyone. Those who have completed with good score. As I told you, it's kind of quite easy question.
ठीक है हेलो जबरदस्ती का बवाल पाल रहे हैं इसके बाद हालत खराब हो गई दौड़ते रहेंगे
Okay, so our team is closely monitoring the results. Once you are done, and we'll announce this quiz closed, we'll download the final results. Yeah, guys, everyone. So I think everyone
वर्मा
has
जी का नाम
scored.
क्या है
So
अश्विनी
what I'm
वर्मा
doing, and now running the timer for 15 minutes.
ये कैमरे आज वो करेंगे जो बाकी 31 कैमरे हैं उससे कुछ होगा ये बाकी 31 कैमरे उससे कुछ हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा
I hope my screen is visible. Okay.
The timer is visible.
हेलो हाँ सर ये कह रहा था कि आज वो जो कैमरे 31 छोटी के होने हैं क्या
इसको क्या बोलते हैं
तो करके देखिए राजेश सर पूछ रहे थे मुझसे कह रहे थे कि आप सवाल करेंगे
हम तो पूरे उसके चक्कर में थे दोबारा अच्छा सभी एक दिन पूछा था तो बोले थे वो हमारे उसमें क्या बोलते हैं पोस्ट पर
ये बाइनोकुलर्स
हम तो पूरा समझ रहे
नहीं बाइनोकुलर्स हम देखने वाले हैं
कवर का बाहर एक दो 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 हाँ गुरु जी आप B4 अटेंड करिएगा B1 लो मेंटेन करेंगे
हाँ सर
इसमें एक में
हाँ
इसमें दोनों में नहीं नहीं वो लाइट से जो लेंस में बोले
हाँ हाँ
है
लेकिन डी यानी HDMI टू DP कन्वर्टर लेकिन सर एक बात
एंट्री करेंगे करेंगे मेजर्स की हां एंट्री करेंगे हां कर एंट्री का
टीवी में तो सर HDMI होगा देखना पड़ेगा बंदर लगा हुआ नहीं तो वो तो DP तो वर्क स्टेशन में लगा होगा सर जो डिस्प्ले है उसमें मॉनिटर लगा है देखना पड़ेगा
Okay, guys, hurry up.
टीवी में सर
If you are already done, you can just finish the task. Is there anyone who's pending so that we can wait for more couple of 10 to 12 minutes?
जी
Great.
दूरबीन
Thank you everyone for quick response.
लेकिन सर
So we'll declare
सर सुनिए सर
closer of
भूमिका
increase
जो है
because
जो वर्क
there is
स्टेशन कह रहे हैं, जो
minutes.
वर्क स्टेशन की
Will not
जैसा
steal
किया
time.
है कि वो 32
I request
फीट
everyone
कैमरा है वो
please
अच्छे से दिखाता है।
complete the quiz.
उसके बाद ये
I hope you also enjoyed the quiz as well, like the session.
ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ का जो डिस्प्ले है वही कॉपी हो जाएगा।
If anyone is pending, please mention in the chat box.
Yes, that's what we are waiting for.
Yeah, because we can have this session earlier.
सर मुन्ना सर, अच्छा ये टीवी वाला नहीं चला जाता है? ये टीवी से लगा के भेजिए, टीवी में कम नहीं जाता है, अगर किसी से भेजा इंटरव्यू है।
There is someone who is attending. No worries, you have attended.
वो जो कास्टिंग नहीं होता है
4 hours back to back is little bit. I mean, you can keep a biological time. Yeah, we will discuss this on a separate call. How we can plan this and what topic one and everything. Because we need to also share the feedback. So we'll also be sharing the feedback link here. I hope we met the expectation that we set out, the outline.
Yeah, please share Rahul. We will do it as well.
Yeah. So, and everybody have enjoyed it because I enjoyed looking to the questions and everything. Okay, so Prem, do you have the access on that feedback link? So parallelly we can. So guys, everyone, thank you for joining. We are going to share the quiz results as well. Parallelly, if you really like the way I explain, the demonstrated, they explain very precisely on certain topics. Please
इनपुट इसमें देंगे जो उसका आउटपुट है इसकी टीवी को देना है। ये भी चलता रहेगा वो भी चलता रहेगा, इसमें फीड जाती है।
So 5
नहीं समझे भाई बात।
please do.
ये जैसे कि ये क्या करेंगे,
इसमें इन आउट दोनों दो पोर्ट है। इन जो करेगा वो तो फीड जाएगा, जो आउट करेगा ये टीवी चलेगा, इससे दो चल जाएगा, ये जो स्प्लिटर यूज होगा।
अच्छा तो ठीक है, तो
एक डीपी वो क्या कहते हैं डीपी टू एचडीएमआई कन्वर्टर और चाहिए।
डीपी टू एचडीएमआई कन्वर्टर।
एक काम करो, एचडीएमआई कन्वर्टर यहाँ लगाए हो ना?
हाँ मेरी बात सुनिए, जैसे इसका जो इन इसमें जाएगा, ठीक है, आउट इसमें जाएगा। हाँ तो आउट एक ही है,
नहीं उसमें चला जाएगा, जो इन होगा उसके थ्रू तो जा ही रहा है वो वहाँ पे ना, वहाँ तो जा ही रहा है। तुम साथ समझ नहीं पाएगी, इधर छोड़ेगा ना।
You don't have to create any account or do any such kind of thing. You just have to paste your email ID. Then you just have to give some common information like your job title and your company name, etc. etc. And after these two things, you will see there will be some questions which will ask
आउट के
you
थ्रू ले
for
जा रहे हैं
rating.
सर,
Please take a
आउट के
note
थ्रू ले जा
that
रहे हो?
what the version 5 is the highest rating.
इनके
So you
थ्रू
can answer those questions.
इनके थ्रू
And
ले जाना
there
है।
will be
हाँ,
also
निकाल के
options
मेरा
to
अकाउंट
give
चलता
your
रहेगा ना,
होना
remarks
चाहिए।
and
करें
give
किसी
your
को कौन है वहाँ पे,
opinions on how
कौन
you
है वहाँ
like
पे।
the session and all the things. Yes, make sure you complete all the
अभी अपने
feedback
यहाँ आउट पे
and
एचडीएमआई
then
पे
you
लगा
give us a quick confirmation in the chat.
एक मिनट में इसलिए से पूछता हूँ,
Please.
इन पे इसको
Guys,
लगाओ।
please compliment us there in the comment section. What exactly you liked.
अरे वही तो कह रहा हूँ।
We'll bring more experience of this practice and tutorial in the form of video. See, I haven't even started as like so because everything was a practical demo point of view. And yeah, your questions, your curiosity really kept me engaged. Few of the questions, quite next level of questions, which was I was not ready. I mean, no, mentally that okay, how to kind of deal with that. Right, but yeah, thanks everyone for who have
सर हमारे पास तो ये
and thanks Manish ji.